Good morning and welcome back to our computer class. We are on lesson number 7, that is logo commands, and today we are going to continue that lesson. If you have not watched the previous video, first go through that previous video and then this video. Okay, so let us start recalling elementary logo commands. Okay, recalling the commands which we have done in the last year and also in the last class. So you have already learned a few primitives. Commands को क्या बोलते हैं यहाँ? Primitives. Okay, keywords of the logo is known as your primitives. So you have already learned few primitives in previous class. So today we are going to continue that commands. Now this FD command. What is that FD command? FD is for forward. Okay, FD is a short form for forward. And when we are going to give you command move forward, what we are going to do? We are going to move in the forward direction, यानी आगे के डायरेक्शन में जाएंगे. Now आगे का डायरेक्शन कहाँ होगा? जहाँ हमारा फेस होगा. ठीक है, तो now this is your turtle. Okay, and the head of the turtle is this tip. ठीक है, ये जो ट्राइंगल का ऊपर का टिप दिखाई दे रहा है, दिस इज द हेड ऑफ द टर्टल. सो इफ यू आर गोइंग टू गिव द कमांड FD, द टर्टल विल बी मूविंग इन द फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन. ठीक है, जहां भी होगा वो उसी डायरेक्शन में आगे मूव करेगा. एंड व्हेन इट मूव्स, व्हाट इट विल डू? इट विल ड्रॉ अ लाइन. ओके, so FD primitive moves the turtle forward by the given number of steps. ठीक है, suppose I have given you FD 10, so the turtle will move in forward direction 10 steps. Okay, now type FD 40. What will happen? The turtle will move 40 steps in a forward direction. Now opposite of that forward is your BK, that is backward. Now if the command is there move backward, so what you will be doing? You are going to move in the back direction. Okay, and in back direction your face is towards the front, but you are moving in the back direction, so that is your backward command. Okay, BK command. Now how we have to give this command? BK and the number of steps. So turtle will be moving in the backward direction and draws a line. So BK primitive moves the turtle backward by given number of steps, that is BK 40. Try this. What happened? The turtle will be moving back. See, the turtle face is in the front, but it will be moving back and draws a line. Next is your LT. LT means your L for left and T for turn. So LT means your turn left. Now if you are going to give turn left, so you have to give direction in the degrees. So you can give 0 से लेकर 360 डिग्रीज तक आप कोई भी डिग्रीज दे सकते हैं. 360 डिग्रीज मतलब आपका पूरा एक सर्कल होता है. ओके, दैट इज योर सर्कल. Now if you are going to draw this, अगर आपको LT आपने दिया तो एक जो सर्कल है, सर्कल में डिफरेंट डायरेक्शंस होते हैं, तो हाउ मेनी डिग्रीज यू कैन गिव? यू कैन गिव 0 to 360. ओके, 0 to 360. So LT is your left. How many degrees you can give? You can give 0 to 360 degrees. Okay, for moving the turtle, how many degrees we can move? For 0 to 360. So LT for left turn. LT turns the head of the turtle towards the left side. Example LT 90. What happened? The turtle will turn in the 90 degrees towards your left direction. Now the next command is opposite of LT is RT, that is right turn. Here the turtle will turn in the right direction. Okay, if you are going to give RT 45, the turtle will be turning towards right direction. Now the home command. What is the use of home command? Home command is used to place the turtle at the center of the screen. ठीक है, स्क्रीन है, अगर आपको फिर से टर्टल को अपने प्रॉपर प्लेस पर प्लेस करना है, then you are going to give the command home. What happened? The turtle will reach to the home, and where is the home of the turtle? Center of the screen. Okay, so it brings the turtle back to the center of the screen. Now next command is your HT. HT means your hide turtle. If you do not want to show the turtle, if you do not want to show that triangular shape, then you are going to give HT, that is your hide turtle. Okay, and it disappears the turtle from the screen. Again, if you want the turtle back, you will be giving the command ST, show turtle. Okay, show turtle for your ST. Reappear on the screen. ST commands reappears the turtle on the screen. Now tell me, what is the difference between your ST and HT? ST is your show turtle. HT is your hide turtle. Now CS for your clear screen. Here we are going to take the first letter of each word. Clear screen, if you want to clear screen, you will be giving the command CS. Okay, computer will understand CS means your clear screen. So whatever is on your drawing area, that will be erased and your drawing area will be clear. So CS primitive clears the entire picture drawn in your graphic field and brings the turtle back to the center. Now CT, if you have written something on the drawing area, if you have typed something on the drawing area, then this is your CT, that is clear text. If you want to clear text, CT. If you want to clear drawing, CS. Okay, CT will clear the text. Now what is the difference between CS and CT? CS is clear screen, which clears the drawings on the computer on the screen, and CT which clears the text of the screen. Now pen up, that is PU, pen up. When you are going to move a pencil and if you are not going to put it down, what happened? The line will not drawn. ठीक है, if you are going to, if I am going to give you pen up, ठीक है, आपने पेन अप कर लिया, ऊपर कर लिया और आप पेंसिल चला रहे हो, आप पेन चला रहे हो, what happened? Is anything will be drawn? No. So same here, if you are going to up the pen and if you are going to draw something, nothing will be drawn. See, this is my pencil, but now it is up and I am moving, nothing will be drawn. But if I am going to pen down and then draw, what happened? The line will be drawn. This is pen up and move, nothing will be drawn. This is pen down and move, pencil line will be drawn. Okay. So pen up will move the turtle up. And moves without drawing any line. So this is your PU. Now again you want to down it, so the command is PD, that is your pen down. Okay, pen down. When now you are going to move the turtle, drawing will be there because the pen is down. Now the print command. What is that print command? Print command is used to type letters, numbers on the screen. Okay, so you can write print and here it is written 768, so 768 will be printed on the screen. Whatever you are going to give the print command, that will be printed. So that's all for today. You have to recall that commands, you have to make a list of that commands, click a picture and send it on my personal number. That's all for today. Bye bye.